can do that.
Yep, it's playing. Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Airplane 2.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Airplane 2. Today we will be...
I know no one asked for part 2, but I asked myself, do I
No,
need a
the
part
president did. The president
2? Of course I need a part
invited
2.
us to this airplane since we saved the airplane before.
So before this video starts,
make sure to subscribe, like, turn on post notifications, and put down a supporting comment down in the comment section. That will help us out. And make sure to subscribe to the TC team. That's where we do our group videos with our best friends, and their names is Chico YT and Marshmallow Gaming. Just go to the TC team and you'll find their channels there. Make sure to go subscribe to them and the TC team.
anyways, today I got invited by the president for saving the previous airplane
And
from
we're going to
airplane.
And the president
1.
told us to go to gate C,
Like
which
that
is
one.
right here. Come on, quick.
Wait.
Come here. Fast. Gate C.
Where?
Faster.
The hell
Gate
is
C.
C? Okay, I'm in.
This is the...
We don't need to pay tickets today, so we don't have to worry about
Oh!
fears. Not
Ah! Ahoo! Ahoo! Ah! Ahoo! Ah! Ahoo!
fears. Shut up.
Ahoo! Oh, Ahoo is in here. Yes, let's go.
Wow, what a beautiful airplane, isn't it, Beers? Hey, I'm in the front seat. Goodbye, Beers. This is where you were.
I want to sit right here.
Sorry, stolen.
Hey. What the heck?
Where did you went? Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I thought you glitched out of the airplane.
I'm trying to peek out of the window. OMG, guys! It's a rectangle airplane. Come on, look.
My name is Kaylee. I'll be your pilot in this flight. Oh yeah.
I'm bad pilot.
As you can probably tell, this is not a regular airplane. Yeah, it's the president's airplane.
Yeah, the president.
Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991 presidential aircraft.
Cool.
You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. You saved an airplane last time. Yeah, it was for our own good. If we didn't save that airplane, we would die. We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Yeah, the captain just had least sleep before going to his work, and then he fell asleep on his job just like the crewmates. Alright, enough chatting. I'm too cozy in my seat. Beers,
Farts.
please find a seat that has a golden label with your name on it, as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence.
Guys, look at that beautiful tear-down face. White golden label name. So nice. Ah!
God, isn't that a barrel roll? Did she just made an excuse to do a barrel roll?
Probably, and probably it's not the height.
Did we just do a barrel roll?
I should have picked out of the window.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Shut up and answer my question.
I have been informed the president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Okay.
Cool.
Please find him for further instructions. FBI, okay. Hello, misters. Having a great day today?
What is it?
Why are you guys staring at each other?
Yo, Gab, come here. Come here, look. I found a note. It says not. What does this mean? Try clicking it. Oh, I got 1 of 7 notes. What does it mean, not?
Not. Why not?
What do you mean?
Did
not?
anyone else see that? See what?
Hi, ugly agent.
Welcome to the presidential airplane. And congratulations for what you have done.
Is there any
Your
more
country is
indicators
grateful. Okay. Follow me to the next room. I will give you some instructions.
You can float.
Hey. Where's their barrier?
Oh look, that's another
Not
note.
trust.
Saying what? Trust? Not trust. Do not trust. Let me click it.
President is getting ready. He will meet you in the dining room in a couple of minutes.
Hey, this is another one.
But there's something you must know.
Not trust.
Before that, the president is very special. He gets mad very easily. Please do everything we say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane. Yeah, whatever. That's all. President should be almost ready.
Let's do this.
Why don't you guys grab a glass of water? Alright, I'll grab one.
Okay.
Oh my god! Pierce! Oh no, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
I remember there's a mob.
Look at this mess. The president is going to be so mad. Where? Oh.
Remember this
Please
mob?
find something to clean this mess or else we will have to lock. No! Hell no.
Oh. Yo, stand back. Let me
I'm a
do this.
brew. I'm a witch.
Let's
No.
brush his hair.
Same.
Hey!
Yo, he's running the treadmill. President is ready now. Follow me to the dining room. Sir, are you okay? Aren't you tired running the treadmill?
I know.
Invisible one.
What are you doing, sir? You're just so strange and sus. Is there any more notes?
No, haven't seen one.
Yeah, I don't see one yet. I want food.
Why is the president pink? Build that brick wall! What? Yeah, what brick wall? We're in the airplane. Can't you see? We're in the sky. Wait, what?
Just hit your head.
I'm sorry. It's the habit.
I'm hitting his head.
Pierce. Anyways, welcome to my airplane.
Okay, it's so ugly.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Thank
It's
you.
rectangle.
My name is Ronald Trump. I'm the president of the Roblox
Did you
state.
just said Ronald Trump?
Exactly.
What the?
You must know you are the heroes of for this nation. Oh.
And I'm punching your head.
We just saved an airplane and then we're suddenly heroes. We have a delicious meal prepared for this special moment.
Okay.
Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President.
What?
The food is not ready yet.
Oh,
I believe the chef messed up. What? Throw that chef off this plane! What? Are you crazy, Mr. President? We will take care of him. Mr. President,
Help!
what the hell are you doing?
Oh, there you go.
Gabrielle, but I don't know how to cook. I'm serious. I don't know how to make sandwich.
Let me help you now.
But Mr. President, I have never cooked before. I don't even know how to make a sandwich. Well, you better learn quick, or else I'm throwing you out of the plane too. Pierce, you're so mean. I'm gonna tackle you. Oh God.
Gee,
Mm.
once you're done with
Gabrielle
everything,
Chanel 2082. I'll tell you the ingredients, and you have to find them and drop them into the soup pot before the time runs out.
once you're done making the soup, get any ingredients you can get, okay?
No. If you grab the wrong ingredients, throw it in the trash can, but be quick. Alright. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Time to cook. I'm not ready.
Let's see what
The
else
soup
we
needs
get.
great. What the hell?
Ew. All soups need great. I'll just look at Chanel Coke.
The soup needs salt. Okay, that's normal. Why would the soup need grape? The soup needs pepper.
Ew, That's spicy.
The soup needs chicken.
Huh?
This
Okay,
one,
that's normal.
ew.
That's normal, but the grape.
It looks
what the
bitten.
heck?
The soup needs chicken again.
Yo, this agent's tricking you. You're gonna be thrown off.
Food is ready.
Random stuff.
Disgusting as food is ready. Yes, yes.
Hey, you got a tomato. That's so cool. Press space bar with it.
Looks delicious. Here, Mr. President, let me put this in your head. It looks delicious. Everyone take a seat.
This is my food. Where's your tomato?
I put it in the president's head.
You secretly got it out.
Enjoy.
Okay.
This soup looks like a toy to me.
Where's
Especially the
grape?
grapes.
Yo,
That's really
Sir
disgusting.
President, can I eat the leftovers?
Ew.
Please. See,
Enjoy.
there's how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 soups that's not gonna be eaten, I think. And can I have them, sir?
Wow, Pierce, you actually finished the whole dish. We
Oh,
hope you enjoyed the soup.
OMG, I'm so full. I'm so full. I need to
He
use
should
the
be
toilet.
meeting you again at the presidential soup.
I need to use the toilet, guys. Be right back.
Please follow the path to the computer room. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Did you saw that the door opened by itself?
Yeah.
Please follow the path. Okay, welcome to the computer room. Why is there so many laptops instead of computers?
I'm just
Use
done
this
with
room
the
to
lab.
protect any cybernetic attack to our system.
I just used the toilet. Oh, my tummy still hurts. I'm full.
The president is
Papers?
waiting in the presidential suit.
No.
In order to protect the president, we create. Okay, blah blah blah. Now we must try to figure out the code. Good
Okay.
luck, hackers.
Green.
The code is green, Pierce.
Make every laptop green, you know?
No, there's no green in this laptop.
That's purple. Yellow. So this computer won't change colors. There you go. But this one won't. There you go. Let's go.
Yay.
Okay, any notes?
Haunted.
No notes. Hey!
Find
Hey,
the
look!
next one.
Haunted? Look, that's a note saying
I
haunted.
still got my tomato.
I got 4 of 7 notes now. What happens if I get all of them?
I can't go back here.
I had to, what?
Get rid. Doesn't he look sus, Pierce?
Yeah. Black? No, is
Pink
he red
looks
or
sus.
pink or black?
Pink looks sus.
Yeah, pink is
Anyways, as a very special guest, I'd like to speak to my president. For some reason, I can't find the keys. Can you look for them?
Oh, I found
Found
it.
it.
Let me.
I found the key. You're great. Let's open the door. Then.
Hey, another note saying
Him.
him. Hey, let me. There you go.
The bed is for you, Pierce. I'm not sleeping in the bed. I hope there's room for everyone. Nope. I need my own bed. I'll
Yeah,
give
this
you
is
guys
my
time to get comfy. Alright, this is my bed then.
Hey, get up or I'll take my shirt off. This is my bed.
Ew.
My bed.
This is my corner.
This is my bed.
This is my corner.
My bed.
Corner.
Yo, let me check the drawers if there's any note.
The
No.
drawers are not openable.
What? No.
Why is the drawers not openable?
Oh! Okay, good. Let's see. Let's sleep. No, I'll sleep by myself. Get off this bed.
Why is the door still open? It's nighttime already.
Let me out! We're kidnapped.
The door is open, but we cannot go up.
We're kidnapped.
I can sleep. There is something about this flight that scares me.
What is it?
It's about you. Guys.
Mm-hmm.
The curtain. What? Why is the curtain opening by itself?
Oh! Oh!
Oh my god, there's a person on fire. Oh my god, it's that monster that we saw.
I remember him. Darn. What's he gonna do?
Oh no! Oh no! It's a monster!
I need to get out of this room.
What the hell are you doing here?
Help!
Help us!
Help! Someone help! Did you
Fire! We need to run! Run, run, run!
Fire!
Quick, run!
Holy!
Don't leave me behind!
Run! Bye, I'm leaving you behind!
No, don't!
I'm going first to the storage! Where's the storage? Oh, I'm going there! I'm going there!
Fierce.
No, there's no paper.
The floor is lava.
Cool. Hey, look, paper. There's paper down there. Quickly get it before lava comes in. Jump here. This is the tallest.
Oh, phew, close one.
OMG, it's so hot though. You
Of
feel
course,
the
that's hot. The lava. Phew.
Oh, we're safe.
Are we safe now?
Yeah, I think we're safe. Supposedly.
The floor!
Whoa!
Get some on something high quick. I knew it. There was the floor's lava game here.
Darn.
Oh god.
Oh no. Oh, good thing you didn't went there. Oh no. Oh no. I'm so. It's so
What?
hot. Wait.
The fire's gone?
Wait, we need to call
What is
someone.
happening?
We need to call someone right now.
911.
Is it?
9. Where's 9?
Can't get out.
911. Guys, the phone is ringing. Yes, we called 911. You should pick up. Hello? Who's there?
Who's there?
Hey guys, I'm glad you picked up.
Yeah, you didn't protect us, dude.
Something terrible is happening on this plane. You don't say. I can't tell you much with the phone.
I'm back.
I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin.
Okay.
Okay. I saw it before, near the president's bedroom. The problem is the door's locked. Just give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Okay.
But it's green. It should be open.
Get closer while I do that. But be careful. The monster might still be around. Are you kidding?
Darn. I hate this monster.
You will not escape this time.
Oh yes, I will.
Mwahaha. What the
Oh,
hell?
no. Hey, the glass
Oh
is
no! Don't let him catch you.
That's who? Whoa!
Pierce, run, 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 run!
Can you teleport?
Ah! It's behind my back.
Well, I'm just hiding. Why did you let him here?
Ah! I'm surrounded. Wait.
I'm so close out.
Yo, why are you targeting me?
Haha,
I swear I'm in no. I swear I'm in no. Ah!
I still have full health. I still have
is targeting me? Please help!
I'll help you. Hey, stupid monster, come back here. Come back! The door, you're gonna. Oh!
Thank you for bringing him to you.
3, 2, oh!
The door is open. Get in.
Ah!
Oh, thank
We're
God.
safe, right? We're safe. We're safe.
Whatever you do, don't grab the last note, Pierce.
Why not?
Don't.
Why?
Don't.
Grabbing it.
Great, everyone
Got it?
is here. What is going on?
Keeping off the notes.
We saw that monster again.
What's happening? Do not trust him. He is haunted.
Did he follow us here?
Whoa!
It didn't follow you here.
Don't trust him. He is haunted.
I told you to not grab the last note. It made you come here again. Why? What does he want with us? I knew there was something wrong here. The good news is I'm just a pilot. I'm not just a pilot.
We got to remember, okay?
I'm also a secret agent and I know a lot about this monster. Yes, she knows a lot about this monster.
Yeah.
What?
Remember this in your mind.
He wants
Not
us to go
trust
human.
him. He is haunted.
But he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him. Why? And there was something about the plane. About planes. He was always so obsessed with planes. In a scary way. What? He liked to read news about plane crashes. The hell is wrong with this
No wonder
guy?
people don't like him.
So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. Oh God. His spirit still chases people like you guys. Because he blames you for his death. Why me?
What did I do to him?
Now that you know the story about the monster, you must know he can take any shape. He could be any agent or even the president. I think it's the president. He surely says. I'm not sure
Or
yet.
it may be her.
No way. Take this gun.
Holy. You take it.
I'll take it. You only have one chance. Okay, give me the gun.
Who should we shoot? Who should we
Discover him and kill him. I think the president. So who is taking the shot? Me? Give it to me. Why did you take it? I'll do it.
Who should I shoot?
The president. He looks extremely sus.
For serious.
The president! Alright,
I'm
good
shooting
luck,
the
guys.
agent.
No, the president.
The agent.
The president.
No.
Pierce, trust me, you want to shoot the president, not the agent. There you are, we've been looking for you. Look at the president, he's a pink. It's over. We've discovered you, monster. Wait, put that gun down. What are you doing? We know about the plan to kill us.
What's it?
We know one of you is the monster. President, I think. You're making a huge mistake. We are not monsters.
Who should I shoot?
I don't know. President? Maybe?
Why not agent?
I don't know.
What?
Pick one, Pierce. President, for me, I don't trust you.
Who should I shoot?
It's either president or agent. You just pick one.
I'm sorry. Ronald Trump.
Ronald Trump. Why are you wiggling? Oh no, who did you shoot?
I'm so sorry.
You shot the president.
You told me to.
How dare you? Like I said, you made a huge mistake. Excuse me?
Bro, why did you told me to shoot the...
Ah! Oh no, what did I do?
Let me shoot him!
You're the monster. That thing only has one bullet. It's funny how you calling me monster.
Bro, you're so ugly.
But look at what you did. It's not our fault, it's your fault.
Yeah, but so rude. She told me to shoot the president.
It's fierce. Let me point again. There! Now I can take your souls.
Oh no. What have we done?
What have you done? Ah! We crashed the plate.
Gab is so bad at this.
The end. Okay, guys. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to the bad ending. That's because I picked it. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's content and if you want more of these good contents, I will sure make more for you guys. Well, that's all for today.
Bye guys. Stay
Don't forget to
safe.
subscribe and like, and have a great day.
Stay safe,
Goodbye,
guys.
everyone. Stay safe and peace out.